You've successfully captured the shopper's attention on Etsy or through social media, and they've clicked into your listing. Fantastic. But now comes the essential part. How do you convert that shopper into a buyer? How do you get them to click that add to cart button and purchase your product? Once the shopper is interested, they start seeking more information to make an informed purchase decision. This is where your additional photos play a critical role in sealing the deal and boosting your sales. Photos dominate the visual space within a listing, and Etsy gives you 9 additional photo slots to communicate the most important information about your product and service. Using more photos allows you to highlight your product's value and details, keeping customers engaged. This approach helps answer common questions, reduces uncertainty, and minimizes the chances of returns or bad reviews. By showing your product from different angles and in various uses, you give shoppers a clear idea of what to expect, building trust and increasing the likelihood of a sale. Here are some suggestions for different types of images you can take of your product. A detail or close-up image. A close-up photo shows the small details of your product, like texture, stitching, or designs that regular photos might not capture. This helps buyers appreciate the craftsmanship and uniqueness of your product. Tiny details matter. A size or scale image. Show your product next to familiar items to help buyers understand its size. This helps set clear expectations and reduces the chance of returns. A styled image. A styled photo places your product in a relevant setting, helping shoppers imagine how they might use it in their own lives. By seeing this product in context, buyers can better picture how it fits into their daily routine or home, making it more appealing. A lifestyle image. Lifestyle photos go beyond just showing your product in a relevant setting. They show your product in use by real people, which adds a human touch. When shoppers see people using the product, they can better imagine how it would fit into their own lives and how they might use it. For items like clothing or accessories, this helps shoppers see how the product looks and feels on someone, giving them a better idea of fit, style, and overall appearance. By showing the product in real-life situations, lifestyle photos can create an emotional connection, making it more desirable and relatable to customers. A variation image. If you offer different variations of your product, show those variations in a photo. This could be different sizes, colors, materials, or designs. By clearly showing the different options you offer, you improve the shopping experience and help customers feel more confident in their choices, which can lead to more sales. A packaging image. If you offer premium packaging or gift wrapping, be sure to show it off. High-end packaging can increase your product's perceived value and make it an irresistible gift choice. A process image. Give a behind-the-scenes look at how your product is designed or made by you. Showing this process helps build trust and shows the unique handmade quality of your product, making it feel special and authentic to shoppers. While these are all great ideas for different photos you can take of your product, sometimes on Etsy, photos alone may not be enough. Etsy doesn't prioritize product descriptions, especially on mobile. Etsy's 2023 Q4 earnings report revealed that 68% of sales came from mobile devices. This means your listing needs to be optimized for the Etsy app. Since shoppers can't easily locate the product description, it's important to share the most important information directly within your listing photos. The best way to do this is by using infographics, a combination of photos and text that communicate key information about your product clearly and effectively. While I refer to them as infographics, they are more commonly known as infographics in marketing. It's a well-established fact that shoppers process and retain information better when text is paired with visuals. You may want to consider incorporating some of these types of infographics into your listings if you find them relevant to your product and your listing format. A what's included graphic. Clearly outline what the customer will receive in their order, especially if styled photos include props. This ensures transparency and sets accurate expectations. A sizing graphic. Provide precise product dimensions. If you offer multiple sizes, visually illustrate the differences to help shoppers make informed decisions. A variation graphic. Show variations in size, color, or material with clear labels matching those in the variation drop-down tab. This makes it easier for customers to select the right option. A how to order graphic. Guide shoppers through the ordering process step by step, especially if your product offers multiple variations or personalization. This makes their shopping experience more seamless and straightforward. An assembly graphic. If your product requires assembly, include a photo with steps. This reassures shoppers that putting it together is easy and shows them they can do it themselves without any hassle. A how it works graphic. If your product is unique and needs an explanation of how to use it or how it works, show this. By showing how easy and fun it is to use, you can take away any doubts or confusion. This reassurance can turn a possible hesitation into a selling point, highlighting the product's unique benefits and making it a more attractive choice. A work in progress graphic. Show how your products are designed or made by you, or highlight any special ingredients or materials you use. This transparency lets shoppers see the human touch behind your products, and it sets you apart from others. A coupon code or discount graphic. Promote a coupon code, sale, or encourage bigger orders by offering discounts for buying more items or spending a certain amount. An additional information graphic. Bullet key selling points or product features that set you apart, ensuring customers understand the full value of what they're buying. An order timeline or shipping graphic. Clearly communicate processing and shipping times or offer free shipping for orders over a certain amount, like $35, to encourage shoppers to add more items to their cart, increasing the total order value. A packaging or gift wrapping graphic. Show premium packaging or gift wrapping options to add value and enhance the gifting appeal of your product. A review graphic. Feature customer reviews that address common questions or objections, building trust and providing social proof. An email list graphic. Invite customers to join your email list with an incentive like a freebie or a discount code. A Q&A graphic. Address frequently asked questions, helping to resolve any questions or concerns shoppers might have. A more options graphic. Show other designs or products that aren't variations in the current listing, encouraging customers to explore your shop further. An upsell graphic. Suggest complementary products you offer by showing them in use together, prompting customers to add more items to their cart. You can easily create your own infographics inside of Canva. Or you can click the link below this video to access my Etsy photographics that sell Canva templates. This offer includes 95 fully customizable Canva templates suitable for both free and pro users, along with 5 pre-recorded lessons that guide you through downloading, customizing, and saving your photographics. By strategically using the right photos and photographics for your product, you give shoppers easy access to more information. When key details are clearly communicated in your photos, shoppers can quickly scroll through them and understand everything they need to know to make an informed decision. This creates a seamless shopping experience, making it more likely that they will click Add to Cart and purchase your product.